Hi, I'm Lindsay from Quilts and More. We're so excited to see so many people joining in our Make a Display wall hanging series. These small quilts are actually really versatile, so they can easily be turned into other projects such as table runners, pillows, or even larger quilts. So today I want to share some basics for how to turn the center block of the summer medallion quilt into a pillow, like you can see here. And this technique can work for any quilt block you want to make into a pillow. You can just create an envelope backing. It's so easy. We'll show you how. For envelope backings, you'll need 2 rectangles of fabric. There's some quick math you can do to figure out what size you need. Take the unfinished width of your pillow front, divide it by 2, and add 2.5 inches to that number. You'll cut your 2 rectangles the length of your pillow by that number you just did math for. So for instance, say this is my pillow top. This is a 15-inch square. So I will divide 15 by 2 to get 7.5 and add 2.5 inches to get 10. So I have cut 2 rectangles, 15 inches by 10. Then we want to hem one edge of each rectangle. So to do this, fold one edge under 1/4 inch and then 1/4 inch again. Press that fold with your iron, and then you're going to top stitch down that fold to create a nice hem. And then do that on one edge of each rectangle. Then there are 2 ways you can finish the pillow. So if you want to add binding to your pillow like you see here, you'll put your pillow top face down and then your backing rectangles face up. So you'll align all your raw edges and then the hemmed edges will go towards the middle, and do the same with the second rectangle. So right side up, raw edges aligned, hemmed edge in the center. And then if you want, you can take just a quick basting stitch all the way around to hold it in place, and then bind as usual, and you'll have your pillow. But if you plan to just sew with right sides together and flip it out, no binding needed, here's what you do. You'll layer your pillow top right side up, and then you'll do your backing rectangles right side down. So again, aligning raw edges with the hem side in the center. Do the same with the other rectangle. Align the raw edges, hem towards the center, and your pieces will overlap about 3 to 4 inches. And then I will just pin around the outside to hold everything in place, especially where all that fabric overlaps in the center. And then you sew around it with a 1/4 inch seam. Once you're done sewing, you will just flip it right side out through the opening in the backing, and then you can push out the corners and iron it to get a really smooth finish. But there you go, isn't that so easy? And then your pillow form will slip right in that hole in the backing, so it's very easy. So we hope this how-to has given you the confidence to experiment with turning quilt blocks or projects into different types of decor for your home. And for more information on the Make a Display Summer Sew Along, visit our website at allpeoplequilt.com/makeadisplay.